In this video, I'll show you how to use Cursor Tab Autocomplete. First, open Cursor and open the code project you want to work on. Next, open a file where you want Cursor to help you write code. Now, start typing normally and wait for Cursor to display an autocomplete suggestion. After that, press the Tab key to accept the suggested code. If you don't want to use the suggestion, continue typing or press Escape to dismiss it. Next, move your cursor to another part of the file and start writing a new line. Cursor can use the surrounding code and context to generate another suggestion. Now you can accept suggestions one at a time with Tab or continue typing to refine them. After that, open Cursor's settings if you want to check or adjust the autocomplete and editor options available in your installation. Next, try writing a function or adding a new code block and let Cursor suggest the remaining code. Finally, review every suggestion before keeping it and run your tests to make sure the generated code works correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Cursor Tab Autocomplete. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.